Hey, so today it's New Year evening. We are not planning to have a party today. Instead of that, we a bunch of friends are planning to have a ride to one of the hill stations in Munnar. It's around 9 p.m. So we gather around in Ernakulam and have some dinner and start our ride from Kakkanad. So the Google says it's like around 16 degrees Celsius, and the lowest temperature would come around 12 degrees by today. So it will be chilling outside in Munnar. So that's it. So enjoy the video and a happy new year. We reached here in Munnar. So the location is top station. It's the top station viewpoint. Check this out. So everyone is getting down there. We are going to climb down this mountain. So it's really amazing. I'm really so happy to be here on the 1st of January 2018.